Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello, summoners. In this video, I will explain how to play Nilah, the Joy Unbound, a truly unique melee attack damage carry. Nilah brings a distinct playstyle to the bot lane, offering incredible scaling and powerful teamfight potential. She thrives on engaging enemies up close, utilizing her abilities to deal massive area of effect damage while sustaining herself through combat. Get ready to dive into the details of mastering this joyful champion. Nilah's kit is designed for aggressive, close-quarters combat. Her Q, Formless Blade, is your primary damage tool, empowering your auto attacks and dealing damage in a cone. Use W, Jubilant Veil, to dodge incoming basic attacks and magic damage, making you incredibly slippery. Slipstream, her E, provides excellent mobility for engaging or disengaging, with 2 charges for quick maneuvers. Finally, Apotheosis, her ultimate, is a game-changing ability that pulls enemies in, dealing significant damage and healing you. Building Nilah effectively is key to her success. You'll want to prioritize items that grant critical strike chance and lifesteal to maximize her damage output and sustain. Infinity Edge is a core item, often purchased second or third, significantly boosting your critical strike damage. Bloodthirster is another excellent choice, providing a large amount of lifesteal and a protective shield. For runes, Conqueror is a fantastic keystone, offering bonus damage and healing during prolonged engagements, perfectly suiting her aggressive playstyle. Mastering Nilah involves understanding her power spikes and role throughout the game. In the early laning phase, focus on farming safely and scaling up, as you are a melee champion. Once you hit level 6, look for opportunities to engage with your support, as your ultimate can turn fights. In teamfights, use your Slipstream to dive onto high-priority targets, unleashing your Formless Blade and Apotheosis for massive area of effect damage. Remember to use Jubilant Veil strategically to mitigate incoming damage and survive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.